Hi, I'm Joe from Bluehub, and today I'm going to be taking you through how to set up and use the pick zones for the WMS app. Pick zones can be good for the WMS app because it will help declutter your zones, and so you'll only see orders relating to the products that are assigned to that zone. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to come up to settings. We're going to want to go to reference books. I'm going to want to come down to location and bins. Once we're in location and bins, we want to find the location that we're going to be using. For this example, I'm going to be using our main warehouse. And then on the left-hand side, we have pick zones. Once we click into there, you can go ahead and create pick zones using this little plus button here. I've already created warehouse 1 and 2. Once you have created these, you want to hit save. And then we can go into the products and assign this warehouse or these pick zones to the product. So once we're in the product, I've just taken some test products here. And if you scroll down a little bit in the middle column, you have warehouse 2. This is a tag that I have entered in, just assigning this product to warehouse 2. I have also got this product here that I have assigned to the pick zone warehouse 1 as well. So now what we can go ahead and do is go and create some sales and show you how it will work in the WMS app. So if we go over to simple sale, our simple sale thing we've created, I've filled in the top with all the details needed. And down here, I've entered in our 2 test products. So one is in warehouse 1, one is in warehouse 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and authorize this. And then we can move over to the WMS app. This is what you'll be greeted with when you first log in. We have inputted our location, and then just here we can see the zones. We can hit the drop down on this, and we can select which zone that we would like to work from. So I'm going to select warehouse 1 for now. Now if I go ahead and I click next, what I can do is I can go into the pick stage. I can type in our sales order number, and it will bring up our sale order. But now when I go into this, you'll only be able to see one of the products that are on this sales order. That's because this is assigned to pick zone 1, and this is the only product on that sales order that is in that zone. So what we can do is we can go ahead and pick this. If I go ahead and copy the SKU into the thing, we can go ahead and finish this order here. So we can go ahead and finish that. Once that's been finished, it will no longer show up in warehouse 1. But what we can do is we can go back to our working area, and then we can go ahead and select warehouse 2. So we can click next, go to the pick stage. Again, we can put in our sales order number, and it appears there. That's because there's still an item left to be picked on that order. If we go into here, we should see the other item. We won't see the CPU because it's assigned to the other warehouse, the other pick zone, but we'll see the GPU. So what we can do as well is we can go ahead and pick this as well, like so. And that's how you use it in the pick zone. Now, just to show this a little bit better, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go back to the working area. I'm going to create another sale. So I'm going to come into another simple sale that I've created. I've filled in the top section, and I have also entered in a single product, just the CPU this time. So we can go ahead and authorize this. Going to authorize this order as well, and that's put this into the pick stage. Now, I know CPU is part of warehouse 1, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into warehouse 2, and we're going to search for the sale order number 612. Now this will not appear here because it has no orders in that zone. But now if I do go back and I go back to the working area, we can go ahead and select warehouse 1, go to the pick stage, and we can put in our sales order number, and it appears there. So it sections off these orders based on if the product for that zone is on a sales order, and if that sales order is on in the pick stage. So I hope this has helped to understand how pick zones works and how they're set up. If you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comments down below. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.